everyone, welcome to day 2 of our 30-day Pilates journey. Today we are going to be doing a 10-minute full body Pilates refresh. Let's get started. So I'm going to have you lay down onto your mat, pull your knees into your chest. We'll take the legs into a tabletop position, take the hands onto the belly. Breathe in here. And then exhale and cinch your waist. The abdominals pull in and up. The sides of the waist pull in. Now I want you to start to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose, keeping the belly tight here, keeping the inner thighs squeezed together. Reach your arms up to the ceiling. Big breath in here. And on your exhale, curl up, stretching your arms long by your sides. We'll hold this position and begin to pump the arms vigorously up and down for the 100. Breathing in and breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5. Breathe in and breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5. In with the air and out with the air. In with the air and out with the air. Let's do one more breath and call it 100. I think it's probably only 60 though, but that's okay. It's only day 2. Hold your position, curling higher. 3, 2, and 1. Then go ahead and lower your head, pull your knees in, reach your arms to the sky. From here, we'll place the feet down. Keep them squeezing tight together, arms long by your sides. Press into your feet, lift your hips off the mat. Now in this pose, I want you to squeeze your inner thighs, squeeze your seat as much as possible, holding, and then melt down, down, and down until your hips are heavy. Again, we'll do that 2 more times. Reach up, squeeze the seat, hold there. 3, 2, 1, and then send it all the way down. One more time. Press into those legs, get higher than before, holding there. 3, 2, 1, and then melt all the way down to the bottom. Yes, now we'll grab the backs of the thighs, pulling the knees into the chest. Rock and roll up to sit, placing your feet down on the mat, legs hip-width distance apart. Lift your chest up really tall, breathe in. From here, we'll round the spine and take it back a few inches, pulling your belly in, and in. Now in this position, I want you to push your thighs into your hands, reach your back backwards so you really get a nice opening in your back as you stretch in this C-curve shape. Then go ahead and use your arms to bring yourself up and lift your chest tall. Breathe in here. Exhale, round into that C-curve. Take it back, pulling your waist backward, holding there for 3, for 2, and 1, and then exhale, use those abdominals. Lift up tall. One more time, round the spine, pressing those thighs into your hands, pulling back with your hands onto your thighs to work that stretch. And exhale all the way up to lift tall through your back. From here, we'll pull the right knee into the chest, stretch your left leg long, and roll back down to the tips of your shoulder blades, keeping your head lifted. Now pull that thigh in as tightly as you can. We'll hold this position. Reach the other leg out. Really squeeze the seat in the back of the thigh, and then go ahead and switch your sides. Pulling the left thigh in now, reaching the opposite leg as long as you can. And switch. One more each way. Pull in, stretching the hip, stretching the other leg away. And switch. Pull. And hug both knees into your chest. From there, lower your head, neck, and shoulders down. We'll rock and roll up to sit for a little spine stretch. Legs long out in front of you. Let's sit as tall as you can. Now place your hands right next to your hips here, and then press down onto the mat to lift your spine tall. And we'll keep this nice tall shape as we float the arms in front of the chest. Hold there. Make sure your toes are flexing back towards the ceiling. Drop your head down and round forward with your back to stretch out your back and stretch out the back of your legs. Ooh, it feels so good. Now go ahead and roll up bone by bone, inch by inch, until you get to the top. Squeeze your seat and sit tall. Do that again. Chin to the chest. Round it forward, squeezing the seat, pulling your belly in. Hold it there. 3, 2, 1, and then scoop the abs in and up and roll up through your spine. One more time, chin to the chest, rounding forward, deepest stretch of your life, pulling the belly backward to keep your spine supported. And then roll up, bone by bone, inch by inch. Good. Now flip to your stomach here. We'll press the palms down underneath the shoulders and squeeze the legs tight together. From here, push into your hands and lift your chest up halfway. Pull back into your palms and reach the chest through your shoulders as you lower down. 2 more times. Press into your hands to lift off. And then pull backward with the hands and the elbows as you lower. 1 more time. Press down, arching that spine up, squeezing your armpits, your shoulders down, your chest open. Hold here for a moment. 3, 2, abs tight. 1, and then melt everything down. From there, reach your arms out in front of you, biceps to ears. Lift everything up out of the water, the arms, the legs, the head, the chest. Now see if you can reach even further through all ends, through the crown of the head, through the fingertips, through the toes. Get longer. Pull your abs in tighter, and then melt everything down. Press yourself back into a child's pose, rounding out your spine for a moment. Good. And then go ahead and come all the way up to kneel tall in the center of your mat. From here, we'll take one leg out to the side. This is my right. We'll take the left hand down to the mat and take a big side bend. Ooh, it feels so good. Good. And then go ahead and make your way up. Send the leg in, reach the other leg out, place the other arm down and reach out. Stretching, big side bend. 1 more each direction. We'll pull the knee under, the other leg out, and reach. Ooh, and the other side, left leg out, right arm down, reach. Good, now go ahead and have a seat facing your front, whatever that is. And then we'll keep the feet stepping on the mat for a moment. Sit up as tall as you can and float your arms up to the horizon line or at about eyebrow height. And I want you to gaze directly through your thumbs. From here, you'll round your back, tipping backward just a little bit and walk your feet, your ankles and your knees together to touch. Now we'll take the right leg and hold it out there and balance here, working your abdominals. 3, 2, abs are tight. 1, set that foot down. Let's do the other side. Left leg reaches, holding. 3, 2, 1, and set that leg down. Now, both legs reach out, or you can do either leg and just switch them again. We'll hold here. 3, hold here. 2, hold here. 1, keep holding for 1.5 or a half, and then a quarter. And then you can bend your knees, place your feet down, and rest. Now we'll flip around into a plank position. You can either do this on your forearms to modify or with long arms. We'll take the hands flat onto the mat. Step 1 foot back. Step the other foot back. Find your plank and squeeze your seat, pull your abs in. We'll hold there. 10, 9, 8. Don't worry, I'm counting pretty fast. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Send your hips up and back and drop your heels down. Take a deep breath in here and a deep breath out. Now walk your feet forward to your hands and then we'll hang over the legs, dropping the head and the arms heavy. Good. From there, soften your knees and slowly roll up to stand tall. All right, and you are all set, all done with day 2 on this 30-day challenge. I will see you all tomorrow.